I just thought I'd do a little video. I just put some VLED brake lights and turn signals in my 2016 Tacoma with the VLED LED bulb on the left side and the original halogen bulb on the right side, just to give you an idea of what it looks like, the difference in color. The LED bulb's a lot brighter red. And there's the stock bulb. Yeah, a little further away at it. With the LED on the left and the stock on the right. And there it is with the four ways on. You can see a huge difference between your driver's side and passenger side. Again, with the driver's side being the VLED bulb and the passenger side being the stock halogen bulb. I'll move up a little closer. You can also see that the halogen bulb dims down and pretty much never turns completely off versus the LED, which turns completely off and back on again. And that's it. I'm going to go install the LEDs on the passenger side, and I'll take another video once they're all done.